Remember to subscribe to our YouTube channel at NDN Nigeria. Click on the subscribe button and be the first to get notifications.
Some close observers of a recent event in the Niger Delta Development Commission (NDDC) have called on those agitating for immediate appointment of a new NDDC board in the midst of ongoing reforms in the commission to have a rethink. The call is hinged on the need to fully implement recommendations of the NDDC Forensic Audit Report to enable the Commission improve on its service delivery to largely backward communities in the Niger Delta, as correspondent Tekana Miofori reports.
At a recent webinar hosted by the NDDC, Interim Administrator of the Commission, Dr. AKUGHA, appealed to Niger Deltans agitating for immediate constitution of a new board to be patient with the President Buhari administration, which he said was working tirelessly to revamp the commission, whose service delivery had been compromised by official sleaze. In the appeal, the NDDC boss observed that it was imperative to deal with the can of worms revealed by the NDDC forensic audit to allow for a more conducive environment for the incoming board to operate. In a swift reaction, some groups, notably the Center for Human Rights and Anti-Corruption, had accused the NDDC of playing to the gallery, while demanding that President Buhari should immediately appoint a board cleared by the Senate since 2019. In the final report of the NDDC forensic audit submitted to the presidency in September last year, it was observed that over 13,000 NDDC projects awarded over a period of 17 years, which did not follow due process, had been abandoned. In their response, two concerned Niger Deltans, Chioma Aharoka and Ben Odon, maintained that while a new board was desirable to pilot affairs of the NDDC, it would be more profitable to address problems created by previous governing boards of the commission.
It's better the forensic audit report be dealt with to a logical conclusion before setting up a new board. Because if it is not handled, things will still go the same way, and it will not be good for the Niger Delta and for the board, the NDDC board.
With the Niger Delta people, we can no longer wait to see this audit being implemented to the letter. No matter who and who that will be involved, that has ripped us of our blessings, God-given blessings, such persons should be brought to book.
In August 2019, President Buhari appointed the Pius Odubu-led NDDC board, but later kept it in abeyance, having realized it was wrongly constituted. According to Chioma Aharoka, there is more to calls on Mr. President to appoint a new board than meets the eye.
Some persons that might be part of this constitution of the board might be the same persons they must have used to loot the good people of the Niger Delta through this NDDC. So, in my own view, I am saying the federal government should not be in a hurry, as it is now, to constitute another board, so that the board will not come and protect the interests of those who might be or may have been indicted by the audit committee.
For the first time since the NDDC was established in 2000, the Buhari administration in October 2019 ordered a forensic audit of its activities to investigate alleged cases of malfeasance, preventing the commission from carrying out its statutory mandate to transform the Niger Delta into an economically prosperous and politically stable region. Proponents of ongoing reforms in the NDDC want the federal government to sanitize the commission and possibly review its Establishment Act before appointing an invigorated board that is fully empowered to carry out effective and efficient service delivery to blighted communities in Nigeria's Niger Delta region.
Niger Delta Development Commission, NDDC, making a difference. Inside the Niger Delta,